With Meghalaya government pushing for the scientific coal mining in the state, the small-time coal miners in the state is having hard time. Regional Shala from State Coordination of Coal Miners, Dealers and Transporters Association, Forum, said the standard operating protocol of the Meghalaya government states that the minimum requirement of land for coal mining from 100 hectares, which had restrict the small-time coal miners to opt for scientific coal mining in the state.
23C, yes.
Okay. So you are talking about section 22C. So
23.
I will talk 23C. So I will talk about section 6 Schedule Act 244 and 275. Paragraph 12A and 12B. So in the 6th schedule, paragraph 12A and 12A, it clearly says that the Autonomous District Council and the state legislature does not have any power to make rules for coal mining in this state. Only the central government have the rules. So you are telling that 23C of the MMDR 1957, but the 6th schedule is different. It's saying different law. But I'll tell you. 23C, section 23C says that the state government is to frame a mining policy. So they need just to frame a policy, not to prescribe 100 hectares of area. They don't have the provision of prescribing 100 hectares of area. Yes, they have the policy to frame, but they do not have the policy to prescribe 100 hectares of area. I have already said in the environment clearance, within 5 hectares they allow for the mining, for the scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya. Not in the state of Meghalaya, but in every state of India, as per the environment clearance. There is no bar which says that we cannot do mining below 100 hectares. So section 22C of the MMDR 1915 asks the state government to frame a mining policy, not to prescribe any law. So 100 hectares is a law prescribed by the state government of Meghalaya, and this frame cannot be considered as a part of law. It can be considered as a policy, but not a law. So 100 hectares is just a suggestion, it's just a framing, it's not a law. So we will never accept it a law.